We'll start by taking a look at the features of the VH80 bilateral laser distance meter. The laser distance meter is a great tool for anyone who needs to measure the distance between 2 points. It's easy to use, and it's very accurate. It's a great choice for anyone who needs to measure distance in a variety of situations. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am presenting the best laser distance meter in detail briefly, so, let's start. Number 1. The first bilateral laser distance meter. This product is designed to measure the distance between 2 points and can be used in a variety of different environments. It's a great choice for professionals who need a reliable and accurate measuring tool. The VH80 is very easy to use, and can be positioned anywhere you need to measure. It's also a great choice for measuring in difficult or cluttered environments. The laser is very accurate, and the product comes with a 1-year warranty. Overall, the VH80 bilateral laser distance meter is a great choice for professionals. Number 2. Bosch Blaze GLM400CL Connected Laser. This is an amazing outdoor laser measuring device. It is very accurate and has a digital viewfinder which makes it super convenient to use. I absolutely love the fact that it has an inclinometer which makes it perfect for taking measurements in hard-to-reach places. The zoom feature is also great for finding the laser spot at far distances. This product also has 11 different measuring functions which make it extremely versatile. Overall, I am very impressed with this product and would highly recommend it to anyone in the market for a laser measuring device. Number 3. Leica Disto D2 330 feet laser distance meter. The Leica Disto D2 330 feet laser distance meter is a reliable and precise measuring device that is perfect for a wide variety of professional applications. With an accuracy of 1/16, a measuring range of up to 330 feet, and the ability to transfer measurements via Bluetooth 4.0 into desired software, this unit is a versatile and powerful tool. Additionally, the unit's Pythagoras function allows for indirect height or width measurements, making it an extremely versatile tool for a variety of tasks. The Leica Disto D2 330 feet laser distance meter is a reliable, precise, and powerful measuring tool that is perfect for a wide variety of professional applications.